Hello, I am Vinod. Welcome to Android Tech. In this video, we will see how to integrate admin LTE with Angular 9. So for that, we create Angular project. Here I assume that you have installed Angular CLI 9. So go to command prompt, execute the command ng new admin LTE with Angular 9. So here it will ask for Angular routing. So yes, so it which style sheet format would you like to use? So here we can select CSS, SCSS, SAS, LESS or stylus. Here I am selecting CSS. So it will install all the dependencies, so it will take the time. So here I will pause the video till installation completed. Now here the installation is completed. So open the project in editor. So I have VS Code, so I will open the project in VS Code. So first go to the terminal. Check the project is running fine or not. So execute the command ngs. So first time it will take the time to run the project. So here project compiled successfully. Then go to the browser, check the local host port 4200. So app is running fine. So now we will install admin LTE dependencies in Angular project. So for that, go to admin lte.io. So click on this GitHub icon, scroll down and check npm install admin LTE. So copy this command, go to the VS Code editor, and then install the command. So now it is installing admin LTE dependencies. So here it will take the time, so I will pause the video till installation is completed. So here admin LTE installed successfully. Now check the project again, ngs. Compiled successfully. Check into the browser. So working fine. Now go to editor. So go to src, then open the app folder and app.component html file. So here delete the default code from app.component.html file. save. So here we have a blank project now. Now go to the admin LT and check the view page source. So here we have to add all this code into our Angular project. So now first we will add the CSS and JS file. So here we have CSS file. So this file we have available in node module, so please check into this folder. So we have to find this all.min.css. so go to in your project, node module, then admin LTE, then plugin. So here you will have a path like plugin Foundation free CSS all.min.css. so you can check. So free font awesome CSS, then all.min. Similarly you can find all the files here in plugin and dist folder. So I already copied this file, so we can copy that file and paste into angular.json file. So check. So here we can copy and paste this file into style, and for JS we can copy and paste in script section. Save. Now so in the page source, so this body, copy this body tag and go to html.index file and replace this body tag from your index.html file. Then copy the remaining code, that is HTML file, HTML code, and paste into app.component.html file. Save. So now we copied the code. So here we have to check for images. So you need to find this image, just copy this image and go to your dist folder, images. So find that image here. Yes, it is available. So just copy this image folder, copy this image folder into src asset folder, and then just replace the path, find and replace asset, image, replace all and save, and then check the project. So run the project with ng. So first we will close the project and then run ng as so here it is compiling. So here compiled successfully. Check with the project in browser, just refresh. So here we have integrated admin LTE successfully with Angular 9. So let's check all is working fine. So yeah, side navigation is working, CSS as well working fine. Yes, we are done with this integration.